Hey guys, it's Nisi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. First of all, I have not posted in like 2 weeks to almost going on 3 weeks, and that is because of everything that's going on. Everything that's going on is very mentally draining, and I wanted to be in the right mindset when I made my next video. And definitely not because I didn't have any video ideas. That's definitely not the reason. But more of the story is I'm back, so yeah. But as you saw from the title of the video, this is going to be a video of me dyeing my locks with let's just say peroxide and baking soda. That's what I use to dye my hair. If you want to see that whole process, make sure you stay tuned. And also, before you continue with this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so the ingredients that I'm going to be using for this is hydrogen peroxide, which I mispronounced in the beginning of the video as you saw, and I'm going to be using baking soda, and this is just the Food Line brand, and then I'm going to be using a plastic bowl. So ignore me doing the savage dance, you know, I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah. So I used a couple of tablespoons or whatever to do it. I don't know exactly how much. I know that I added some more than as you can see right now. And then I added the baking soda also. But I don't think that I added enough baking soda, and I'll explain later on in the video. So after I'm all done, I stir it in the bowl, and as you can see, it's a little bit liquidy, and this is why I say I don't think I added enough, because it was way too liquidy and I had to end up doing it again. Okay, so as you saw from the previous clip, I made my ghetto dye, and now I'm going to put it on my hair. I didn't really explain it recording this section, but I'm only doing the back of my hair. Y'all really thought I was gonna mess up all of my hair. Like, no, I'm not gonna mess up all of my hair. So I decided to only do 5 of my locks in the very back of my head, just in case it was a total fail. So I started off by spraying water on my hair. I don't know what I thought water would do, but it did not do nothing. So you can just skip this step if you decide to do this. Don't do this. But yeah, I just sprayed water on my hair for no reason. It didn't help at all because my hair just absorbed that water. But as you can see right now, I'm putting the dye, the ghetto dye or whatever on my hair. And as you can see, I'm like really struggling. Like, it doesn't feel like, it literally looks like my hair is absorbing it, because that's what my hair does. My hair is absorbing it, and it's just really hard. So I had to end up dipping my hair inside of it, and that is how I got it to work. Like, I had to dip my hair inside of it, and then I had to do it again too. Like, I had to do it again an hour later, because it was just so hard to, I guess, see results. Me trying to be a professional, decided to put the aluminum, the aluminum foil around it. Yeah, it was a struggle because my locks are thick, so I had to wrap it twice. On some of them I had to put 2 on them, so it was just a struggle, but I made it work. Okay, so I finished putting the peroxide and baking soda on my hair, and as you see, this is what it's looking like. You know, I was trying to be professional even though I have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna let this sit for like an hour or so before I take one off and see how it looks like. I'm really nervous because I'm not sure how it's gonna look like, or I'm not sure how light it's gonna be, and I'm not sure if the whole lock is going to be changed because my hair is locked, so it is harder for it to be even out. It has been 2 hours since I put the baking soda, peroxide, carbon peroxide in my hair. Peroxide? I don't know, but it's been 2 hours since I did that, and after the first hour I looked at it and I put some more on my hair just because I felt like my hair had dried out and it wasn't gonna get any effect if I didn't put some more on there. So I just put some more on there and then waited another hour, and now we're here. So I'm just gonna take it off now. I'm a brunette now, okay? Now it's definitely brown. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my hair right now and then I'll be back. So I finished shampooing my hair and now I'm going to retwist just these 5, maybe a couple in the front too. Like I said, I'm just retwisting my hair. If you want to know how to retwist my hair, I already have a video on that. But as you can see, I'm not really taking my time. I'm just rushing to retwist it, and in the end results, like, it doesn't even look that much retwisted, but it does look kind of neat. And that's because, like, I don't really care to retwist it as neat because it's just a bag. You're not going to see it anyway, so it doesn't even really matter. I ended up retwisting a little bit in the front because I just wanted y'all to see the final results on very neat, refreshed hair.
Knockout. You win.
Stiff wear. So if you've been following my journey for a minute, you know my hair looks longer. My hair is definitely getting longer. I'm finally seeing growth in my hair, and that's exciting. And I actually really like how it looks. Color, I don't know, this is just exciting. Here is the color. I don't know how to feel about the color. I actually really like it. I like how it's not too light because I didn't want it to be a huge contrast between my natural hair color and my locks in the back. Yeah, I just really like it. My hair does feel drier. Those ones do feel drier, but that's nothing new because my hair usually feels dry because I don't put anything in my hair besides wax on my roots, like oil and water on my hair. So my hair doesn't touch anything, any other type of products. So I'm used to my hair being dry all the time. So this is nothing new. I don't think my hair got thinner. I think it stayed the same thickness, but hopefully my hair doesn't get thinner. So I think this is just a one-time thing. I might dye my hair later on down the line again. So yeah. Thank you so much if you made it to this point in the video. Again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.